Working principle: the garbage shredder mainly relies on the principle of shear and cut to complete the process of crushing solid waste. The motor drives the reducer to transmit the torque to the movable knife of the crusher through the knife roller shaft and the knife hook of the movable knife hooks. The material is torn down, and the blade of the opposite roller cuts the solid waste like scissors. The crushed material and the pre-screened material are discharged from the bottom of the crusher. Product features: 1. This series of double shaft shredder has the characteristics of low speed, large torque, low noise, etc. It adopts PLC control system, which can be automatically controlled with start, stop, reverse and overload automatic reverse control functions. 2. The motor plus reducer drives the knife shaft to achieve the shearing effect of low speed and high torque. 3. The bearing is sealed with 6 layers, effectively waterproof and dustproof, and prolong the service life of the bearing. 4. After the tool wears out, the tool coating and welding repair technology is adopted to realize the repeated use of the tool and greatly reduce the maintenance cost of the tool. 5. Separate lifting box design can easily remove the entire cutter shaft, plating, bearing, sealing system. 6. The cutting tools are arranged in a spiral line to minimize efficient cutting. 7. Both inner overhang and the spindle surface adopt a hexagonal design to realize the uniformity of the tool force. According to different materials and product shapes, shredding, different types of knives can be selected. The shredder is actually a crushing machine used for fine shredding. It is generally used to process unprocessed raw materials or leftovers to make the size smaller. A typical example is to shred plastic or rubber scraps and use them as raw materials to melt them and then pellet them to make plastic bottles, tires or trash cans. Shredders are used in the plastic recycling industry and are often used for the crushing of waste large caliber PE plastic pipes, bundles of plastic films, large stacks of plastic sheets, and head materials. During the crushing process, the claws on the rotor drag the material into the crushing cavity. The blades adopt a mutually stacked layout so that the material can be cut and broken in the horizontal and vertical directions at the same time. After the material is broken, it is intercepted and peeled off by the partition, and finally discharged downward. The main working part of the double shaft shredder is a pair of relatively rotating rollers. The rollers are equipped with spirals arranged near each. After the material